Namaste, my dear students. I hope you are all very safe and stay healthy at your home. In this lesson, we are going to cover and enter a new topic, that is a computer startup and shutdown. So this is our new lesson in ICT subject, computer startup and shutdown. In this lesson, we are going to discuss what is the correct procedure to start the computer and what is the correct procedure to shut down the computer. But today we are going to cover only two subtopics, that is how to switch on a computer and the next one how to log in. How to switch on a computer and how to log in. One, steps for switching on a computer. Step number 1 is we have to check the power supply switch. We have to check the power supply switch in an on or off manner. Before start the computer, first let us check if the power supply switch is on. This is the first step. And the step number 2 is locate the power button on the CPU and press it lightly. After that, we have to look at our CPU and press the power button in a very soft manner. Clear? So, after pressing that CPU button, the small light on the CPU is on and blinking. So, after pressing the CPU power button, the small light on the CPU is on and blinking. And the fourth step is monitor. We have to press on the button in a monitor itself. Press the button on the monitor to switch it on. This button is the power button of the monitor. So before I shown the power button of the CPU, now I am showing the power button of the monitor. So this is our fourth step. We have to switch on the power button of the monitor. After pressing the power button, here also the small light indicating that is on. Here also one small light is indicating that is it's on. So this is our fifth step. And the sixth step is booting. After pressing that monitoring screen, this type of window will become. It's getting everything ready for use. This process is called startup or booting. Startup or booting. So this loading symbol is called startup or booting. This is our sixth step. Seventh one. After the booting, we can see this type of display box. So this type of display box is used to secure our document in our computer. So startup is a sequence of action done by the computer when it's switched on. So when we switched on, the computer it's get ready for the working. That processor or sequence of order is called a startup. This startup process is called otherwise booting. So after the booting process, we can see this type of user login page. What is the purpose of this user login page? Similarly, the computer compares the username we enter with the names of the user that have been stored on it. If we are using more than 5 persons or 6 persons in a single laptop or a single desktop means we have to create a user or login password. While we giving a username or password, the computer compares the username that we enter with the name of the users that have been stored. The computer have to check the username and password that have been stored. Clear? This is a seventh step. And the eighth step, if you type a wrong password or a wrong ID means this type of display box we can see. Incorrect username or password. And one more thing, the first one, username is also called login ID. Once we enter the username and password, we will be logged into the computer. when a computer is used by more than one person, whether it is a 5%, 3% or 10%, each user is given a username and password to access it. If the username and password are not typed correctly, this type of dialog box promotes we to enter them again. We have to enter them again, our username and password, in a correct manner. So this is a incorrect username and password. And the last one, after giving the correct username and password, we can see the home page of our desktop. In this desktop we can see the lot of icons. Now the computer or desktop is ready to work with us. So this is the procedure we have to start the computer. Now I am going to revise the steps. What are the steps involved in starting the computer? First step, let us check if the power supply switch is on or off. Locate the power button on the CPU. Next step, power button on the CPU and press it lightly. Third one, the small light on the CPU is on and blinking. And next one, we have to press the button in a power button of the monitor. After pressing that, one small light indicating. After that, the startup and booting process is going. After completing the booting process, if the computer is used by more than one person, the computer will ask the username and password to us. After that, we have to give the correct username and password. If we are giving a wrong password, means the dialog box will be displayed. You are typing a wrong password or wrong username. After that, we have to give the correct username and password. We can see the home page of the desktop. After that, we can work within a computer. So, login ID is called otherwise username. The password is called otherwise secret name. Booting is called otherwise startup. So, this is the another vocabulary words related to this topic. Now, I am going to share the vocabulary words. Electricity. 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 Power button. POWER. Power button. 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 Power button. Indicate. 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 Start up. START. Start up. 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 Start up. Booting. BOTTING. Booting. Username. 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 Seventh one, password. PASS. Password. WORD. Password. And the last one is a secret. 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 Now I am going to read again these 8 vocabulary words. Electricity, power button, indicates, startup, booting, username, password and secret. Clear guys? Now it's the time for our activity in a ICT activity note. You have to draw the login page. I already shown the login page to you all. In this login page, we have a username box and the password box. It's a very simple thing only. Draw the box by using a ruler and pencil guys. We will meet on the next ICT class. Thank you.